Welcome to our channel. If you want to remove spam channels from WhatsApp status, follow these step-by-step instructions to clean up your status feed and improve your experience. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your smartphone and navigate to the Status tab by tapping the status icon at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Scroll through your status updates to identify any spam channels or unwanted content that appears frequently. Step 3. Tap and hold on the status update from the spam channel you want to remove. Step 4. A menu will appear with several options including mute. Step 5. Tap mute to stop seeing status updates from that contact or channel. Step 6. You can choose to mute for 8 hours, 1 week, or always. Select always to permanently stop seeing their status updates. Step 7. Alternatively, if you want to completely remove the channel, open the chat with that contact or channel. Step 8. Tap on the contact or channel name at the top to open their info page. Step 9. Scroll down and tap Block to prevent them from sending you any messages or status updates. Step 10. Confirm the block action and the spam channel will no longer appear in your status feed or contact list. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.